All right, today I have a Fiat 500X and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake in this particular vehicle. But before we get started, if you find my content helpful at all, can you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? If you do so, I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm sitting in the vehicle and I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of the vehicle, right, on the driver's side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my vehicle in park. As you see, my vehicle's in park. I'm going to put my foot on the brake. And then I'm going to go towards the center of the vehicle. And you see this right here? It says pull on. Now, remember, my foot is on the brake. That's what I do. And then I'm going to pull this. And when I pull it and hold it, the parking brake comes on, and you can see right there on the instrument panel right there that the brake, you see that, it says brake is on. All right, pretty cool. Now to turn it off, again, I'm gonna put my foot on the brake, vehicle's in park, and I'm gonna come down here, and do you see this right here? I'm just gonna take it, and then I'm going to push it and hold it down, and the parking brake turns off. Now, this is just one way to turn on the parking brake. Read your owner's manual so you know the other ways and how this thing functions. Thanks a lot for watching.